Seniors, if you're over 60 and want to stay sharp, active, and full of life, please listen closely. There's one daily habit many older adults do without thinking, and it could be silently speeding up aging. I'm not talking about smoking or eating junk food. This one is more common, more subtle, and often overlooked, yet it can lead to stiff joints, tired mornings, poor circulation, and even faster memory decline. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what it is, why it matters, and what you can do starting tomorrow morning to reverse the damage. Aging is a natural part of life, but how we age, and how quickly, is deeply influenced by our daily habits. After age 60, the body starts to experience certain biological shifts. Cell regeneration slows down, hormones like testosterone and estrogen decrease, and muscle mass begins to decline. These changes affect energy levels, immune function, skin elasticity, and even brain sharpness. But here's what many people don't realize. These processes don't just happen. In many cases, they're triggered or accelerated by the way we live each day. Take inflammation, for example. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often called inflammaging, is one of the biggest drivers of age-related diseases, from arthritis to Alzheimer's. It's fueled by everything from poor diet to stress, lack of movement, poor sleep, and even dehydration. So when seniors say, "I'm just getting old," what's often really happening is that their body is reacting to years, or even decades, of small, unhealthy habits compounding over time. That's why it's so important to understand that aging isn't entirely out of your control. In fact, modern science now shows that lifestyle factors can account for up to 70 to 80% of how well or poorly we age. In particular, how you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Many seniors unknowingly begin their mornings with a habit that triggers more stiffness, slows down metabolism, increases inflammation, and drains energy before the day even begins. And the worst part? They believe it's harmless or even normal, but it's not. And in part 2, I'll reveal exactly what this sneaky habit is and how making a tiny change in your morning routine could help you feel more youthful, energetic, and mentally clear, even if you're in your 70s or beyond. So, what is this common daily habit that's silently accelerating aging, especially for seniors? It's sitting too much, particularly first thing in the morning. Now that might sound harmless. After all, you just woke up. Maybe you want to sit with your coffee, read the paper, or check your phone. But here's the problem. Sitting for long periods after waking up, without movement, is one of the fastest ways to stiffen your joints, slow your metabolism, and increase what scientists now call biological aging. Let's break it down. When we sleep, our circulation slows. Our muscles aren't being used, our spine compresses slightly, and our joints become less lubricated. That's why many people wake up feeling stiff or achy. If you then go straight into sitting, whether it's on the couch, at the kitchen table, or in front of a screen, you're reinforcing that stiffness. You're also signaling to your body, "We're not using our muscles today," which causes muscle loss over time, especially in the legs. But it goes deeper than that. Extended sitting, even just in the morning, decreases blood flow to your brain. That leads to slower thinking, poor concentration, and a sense of morning fog. It also weakens the lymphatic system, which is responsible for clearing toxins. The result? More inflammation, more fatigue, and a faster decline in both physical and mental vitality. A 2023 study from the Journal of Geriatric Health found that older adults who sat for more than 8 hours a day, especially those with sedentary mornings, had a 31% higher risk of early aging markers, including reduced balance, slower gait, and even cognitive impairment. And here's the kicker. Many of those seniors thought they were living healthy lives. They were eating well, maybe taking supplements, but because they stayed seated too long in the mornings, their bodies weren't getting the signal to stay active and young. The good news? This is totally fixable, and it doesn't require intense exercise or fancy routines. In the next part, I'll show you exactly what to do instead, and how just 5 to 10 minutes in the morning can dramatically improve your flexibility, circulation, and energy all day long. Now that you know sitting too much in the morning can silently speed up aging, let's talk about what you can do instead. And don't worry, it's easier than you think. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or a complicated workout plan. What you need is intentional, gentle movement within the first 30 minutes of waking up. Think of it this way. When you move early, you send a powerful signal to your body. I'm awake. I'm alive and I'm ready to stay strong today. Here are a few simple senior-friendly ways to start your day. 1. Do light morning stretches. 5 to 7 minutes. While you're still in your bedroom, try a few slow stretches. Reach your arms above your head, gently twist side to side, bend forward slightly. Focus on loosening your spine, neck, and hips. This improves circulation, flexibility, and helps reduce stiffness that accumulates during sleep. 2. Take a short indoor walk, 3 to 5 minutes. Instead of heading straight to the couch, walk around your home for a few minutes. Walk to the kitchen, back to the bedroom, down the hallway. Anything to get your blood pumping and your joints moving. This light movement activates your cardiovascular system and improves balance and coordination. 3. Drink water first thing. Hydration is crucial. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, which makes you feel tired, sluggish, and achy. Start your day with a full glass of water. Add a slice of lemon if you like. It can help jumpstart digestion and improve alertness. 4. Get natural light. Step outside for just a few minutes or open your curtains. Sunlight helps reset your internal clock, boosts mood by increasing serotonin, and improves sleep later at night, all of which are linked to healthy aging. 5. Set a morning intention. Before diving into the day, take 30 seconds to say something like, "Today, I choose energy and strength." Positive mindset triggers healthy behavior, and studies show seniors who maintain purpose and positivity live longer and feel younger. These habits might seem small, but together they build a powerful foundation. Your body responds quickly to movement, light, and hydration even after age 60, and doing this daily can slow aging, reduce inflammation, improve mood, and even support memory and heart health. Up next, let's talk about why this shift matters and how to stay motivated to make it stick.
Now you know. It's not just the big health decisions, like quitting smoking or changing your diet, that matter.
Sometimes, the smallest daily habit can have the biggest impact on how fast or slow we age. That first hour after you wake up, it sets the tone for your entire day and your long-term health. Sitting too much during this time may seem innocent, even comfortable. But over time, it weakens your muscles, slows your metabolism, and affects your brain and heart health. But here's the most empowering part. You can change this, starting tomorrow morning. You don't have to become a fitness enthusiast overnight. You don't have to run, jump, or do anything extreme. All it takes is a few minutes of light stretching, movement, water, and sunlight. These actions send a message to your body and brain that you're not slowing down, you're stepping into the day with strength and intention. If you're someone who's been feeling more tired lately, getting stiffer, or wondering why your energy just isn't what it used to be, don't brush it off as just getting old. Because the truth is, age is just a number, but how you age is a choice. And the beautiful part? You're in control of that choice, starting right now. So, here's your simple action plan. Set out a glass of water before bed, so it's ready in the morning. Plan to stretch for just 5 minutes when you get out of bed. Open your blinds or step onto your porch for some morning light. And above all, make the decision that you deserve to feel better, move easier, and stay independent as long as possible. You've worked hard your whole life. You deserve to enjoy these years feeling energized, mobile, and vibrant. If this message helped you, give it a like. Share in the comments. What's your morning routine? And hit subscribe. Because I'm here every week with more science-backed tips to help seniors thrive. Remember, you are never too old to make a change that makes a difference. You've got this.
Before you go, I want to leave you with one more important note. What you do in the morning is just the beginning, but what about those hidden habits during the day that could be speeding up aging without you realizing it? In my next video, I'll reveal the 3 healthy daily routines most seniors follow that are actually making them age faster, how these habits affect your memory, joint pain, and even skin health, and what to do instead. backed by real research and doctor-approved advice. So if you've ever felt like you're doing everything right but still struggling with low energy, soreness, or brain fog, don't miss it. Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so YouTube notifies you the moment it's live. You deserve to feel strong, sharp, and energized, not just today, but every day ahead. See you in the next one.